This newly architecturally renovated home is ideally located in a close-in Old Portland neighborhood in the trendy North Williams corridor. Situated on tree-lined streets with vintage homes, you'll find this beautifully restored, historic four-square home, offering 3 levels of living space. The gracious covered porch invites you inside. Discover inviting, light-filled spaces with lovingly restored historical detailing throughout. Vintage charm blends beautifully with top-of-the-line amenities in the open chef's kitchen, featuring a deep sink and high-end appliances including a 6-burner Thermador gas range, abundant storage, and an eating bar. Escape to your private master suite with designer details, including a luxurious master bath with a tile-lined double-head shower and a large walk-in closet. This home of nearly 3,200 square feet includes 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, original restored millwork, and abundant natural light. You'll find a secluded office or reading room. The fairy tale former attic now offers 720 square feet of reimagined space with a vaulted ceiling. An unfinished 744 square foot basement has separate side door access. You'll also enjoy a private fenced backyard with garden boxes and potential for secure, private 2-car driveway parking. Living here, you're close to the popular Northeast Mississippi, North Williams, and Fremont shopping and dining strips, filled with vibrant shops, locally made goods, art, boutiques, and restaurants. A perfect mix of modern livability and old-world historic charm. It's all here on Northeast Ivy, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact James Bradley with Premier Property Group at 971-804-4618.